Welcome to Spyder Auto's Projector Headlight Installation Guide for the W204 Mercedes-Benz C-Class. Before we get started, you'll need an 8 and 10mm socket and ratchet, and a panel popper. Check out how Spyder projectors change the look of your C-Class. Start by opening the hood. Unlock and remove the intake panel retainer at the center of the panel. Now disconnect the intake tubes from the engine by gently pulling them free. Then unseat and remove the intake panel. Remove the 10mm bolt behind the center of the grille. Use the panel popper to remove the two plastic retainers securing the headlight filler panel. Now you can remove the headlight filler panel. Remove the 10mm bolt hidden under the weather strip on either side of the grille. Release the headlight weather strip from the fascia by sliding it forward. Moving to the fender well, remove the three plastic retainers that secure the fender liner. Peel back the fender liner for access. Now remove the side marker socket. Never touch exposed bulbs with bare hands. Remove the two 10mm bolts securing the fascia to the fender. Moving underneath the bumper, remove the single plastic retainer on each side securing the corner of the fascia. Now go ahead and unseat the front bumper fascia. Disconnect the fog light wiring harness. Then remove the front bumper fascia and set it aside. Remove the 8mm bolt securing the headlight next to the grille. Remove the 8mm bolt that secures the headlight that's hidden on the underside of the radiator core support. Then remove the last 8mm bolt securing the headlight on the side over by the fender well. Now unseat the OEM headlight. Disconnect the headlight wiring harness, then set the OEM headlight aside. Locate your Spyder headlight. Your headlight beam adjusters are shown here and are 8mm. Connect the headlight harness to the Spyder headlight. Seat the Spyder headlight. Then reinstall the 8mm bolt on the side by the fender well. Then reinstall the 8mm bolt hidden on the underside of the core support. Then reinstall the 8mm bolt next to the grille to mount the headlight. We're almost ready to mount the fascia. But first reconnect the fog light wiring harness. Seat the front bumper fascia. Moving to the fender well, reinstall the two 10mm bolts that secure the fascia to the fender. Then reinstall the side marker socket. Never touch exposed bulbs with bare hands. Reinstall the three plastic retainers to secure the fender liner. Reinstall the plastic retainer that secures the fascia from below at each corner. Stepping out from under the car, reinstall the 10mm bolt on either side of the grille. Then reinstall the 10mm bolt that mounts the grille at the center. Now replace the headlight filler panel. Reinstall the 2 plastic retainers to secure the headlight filler panel. Seat the intake panel. Reconnect the intake tubes to the engine, taking care to ensure that they're properly connected. Then reinstall and lock the intake panel retainer. Now just close the hood and you're done. Congratulations, you've fitted your W204 C-Class with a set of sleek projector headlights from Spyder Auto. This is the actual projector cutoff line.